Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the essentials ready. This saves time. Make sure the Geo SDB is powered and on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, too. 4 GHz is more reliable for discovery. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone and open the Geo set-top box app or the phone's cast/screen share setting. You do this because the box advertises itself over the network and Bluetooth, so discovery and app permissions speed up pairing. Now you proceed to pair and start sharing content. Open the app's cast or connect option and wait for the SDB to appear in the device list. This can take a few seconds. When you see the SDB name, tap it. You may get a PIN or accept prompt on both the phone and set-top box, so confirm both. After pairing, choose Cast Screen or select the SDB as the output inside a supported streaming app, so video and audio route to your TV. Finish by checking playback quality and stability. Make sure audio and video are in sync, and adjust resolution in the app if frames stutter. If pairing fails, reboot both the phone and the Geo SDB, rejoin the same Wi-Fi network, and try again. Rebooting clears temporary conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if devices still cannot see each other, check your router for client or AP isolation, and ensure the network is not limited to 5 GHz only, because that blocks local discovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.